Welcome to this detailed guide on creating beautiful invitations using PowerPoint. In this walkthrough, you will learn how to open your PowerPoint program, navigate through the necessary menus, search for the appropriate invitation template, and personalize it with your own details. Begin by launching the PowerPoint application on your computer. Once you have opened PowerPoint, take a moment to locate the presentation window that will display all of your work. This is where you will see your current project and where your invitation design will eventually appear. After opening your presentation, you need to move your attention to the top of the program interface and locate the File tab. The File tab holds various options related to managing your document and is an essential part of the workflow. Switching to the File menu allows you to handle tasks such as opening, saving, and printing, which are fundamental actions when working with any Microsoft Office application. Next, find the Home side tab within PowerPoint. This section serves as your main control center where you can begin to explore various design options and template selections. The Home tab is designed to help you quickly access many common commands that you will use during this process. It is here that you will also search for your desired invitation layout. Now configure your search by using the template search functionality. In the search field, type in the word invitation to filter through the myriad of available templates. This step is crucial because it helps you find the pre-formatted design that best suits the mood and style you wish to convey with your invitation. The available invitation templates provide a solid foundation, complete with stylistic elements that you will soon enhance with your personal details. Once you have found an invitation template that catches your eye, begin the editing process by clicking on it to open your chosen design. With the template loaded in your presentation, you have the opportunity to make it uniquely yours. Direct your attention to the different elements incorporated within the invitation. Each component, whether it be the text, graphics, or layout, is open for customization to fit your event specifics. When editing, change the details like the date and time accordingly. Modify the text to include all the essential information such as the location, purpose of the event, and any other notes that your invitees need to know. It is equally important to review and adjust the graphics integrated into the design. By doing so, you can align the invitation to match the theme of your event and cater to the aesthetic preference of your guests. This process is all about personalization. Ensure that every element of the invitation reflects the unique aspects of your event. Take the time to carefully edit each section, adjust fonts, colors, and imagery for a harmonious look. When you are finished with the customization, review your invitation one final time to be sure that all changes have been applied correctly and that the design maintains a balanced and inviting appearance. Following this systematic approach, you can create a professional-looking invitation effortlessly using the built-in tools provided in PowerPoint. Enjoy the creativity and flexibility the platform offers, and have fun designing an invitation that impresses your guests while effectively conveying all the necessary event details.